Welcome to Mr. P's Mathland Online. This is a volume practice video, so let's practice some volume together. When we're looking for the volume of something, we're looking for how much space is in a solid figure. And we're going to use our buddy, the mighty cubic unit. Because the mighty cubic unit takes up space, and we want to see how much three-dimensional space is in a solid figure. Using our unit cubes, we fill up a solid figure, and then we count the unit cubes. And sometimes that means counting how many cubes are in one layer. We can see that there are 9 in this layer, and then seeing how many layers there are going down. And then we can use some basic maths. We could use repeated addition, or we could use multiplication. So let's do some practicing together. Here is Mr. P's practice problem number 1. Find the volume of this solid figure. Pause the video and let's see how you do. Okay, hopefully you've unpaused the video, and now we can see that this solid figure has 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes for this section. But we can see that it goes back 4 sections. So that would be 4, 4, 4, and 4 sets of unit cubes. So if we did 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, or we could do 4 times 4, we would get 16. So your answer should be 16 cubic units. That's how much volume this shape takes up. All right, pause the video and let's see if you can determine the volume of this shape. All right, let's see. I can see that if I were to divide this in 2, I would have 2 layers. And this layer has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 on this side. That means I would have 6 on the back side. And 6 plus 6 is 12. So the volume of this one is 12 units cubed, or cubic units. Both ways work. All right, pause the video for practice problem number 3. Let's see how you did. I can see there are 2 layers here. I have a bottom layer and a top layer. So if I determine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are in the bottom layer, that means there are 5 in the top layer. And you could check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 plus 5 is 10. There are 10 cubic units in the solid figure. So the volume is 10 cubic units. Moving along to number 4. Pause the video and determine the volume of this solid figure. All right, I can see the layers nice and neat because they are color-coded. So if I can determine one layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then I know the other layers have 8 also. So 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 8 times 3, would give me 24 cubic units for the volume. This shape takes 24 cubic units of space. Last one. Pause the video and let's see how you do. All right, this one is nice and neat again because it's nicely colored so we can see the layers. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. So if I can find how many unit cubes one layer takes up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that tells me how many are in the other ones. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 10 is 50. The volume of this shape is 50 units cubed, or cubic units. And that is just some practice that we're doing in Mathland. So thank you so much for watching the video and practicing growing your math brain muscles. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can message me or ask me in class. Otherwise, it is time to get along in Mathland, and that means it is time for me to count down from 5. 5, 4, 3,